Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Amrit. Today I share with you how you can create this beautifully circle around your image. With this you can use this tutorial to create a circle around your own image and use that image for any social media platform like Instagram, Facebook or any other. To learn this, let's get started the video. To follow this tutorial you can download this image link in description, or you can try this tutorial on your own image. To learn this, let's get started the video. In first step, just click on this lock button. With this we can unlock our background layer, and now you can begin your editing. Now to create a circle around your image, just go to side panel and select here this frame tool. With this frame tool we can apply a circle around our image. You can just click on this elliptical frame. With this we can creating a circle, and you can also select here this rectangle if you want to create a rectangle around your image, but I am just click on this elliptical because we want to create a circle around our image. Now just drag on your image. I am just stop here. When you stop, you can see here this circle is not creating a proper circle because we are using here a free elliptical. Now just press Ctrl Z to undo our actions. Now hold a shift key to create a proper circle. You can see here this square box is created. In this square box our this circle is created. You can move your image anywhere you want. I am just adjust my image in a center, and with this our image is looking beautiful. And you can also apply any color or blend mode on your this image. If you want your image as a black and white, you can just go to adjustment layers and you can just select here this black and white. With this our this image is converted into a black and white. If you want to add some blackish or white another tone, you can just play with these channels. Just you can drag it where you see these changes on your image. You can play with this according to your preference. I am just hide this black and white layer because I want a only colorful layer on my image. Now to save it proper as a circle around your image, just select this layer frame layer, and you can just press Ctrl and just click with the mouse on this circle thumbnail, and you can also click on this image thumbnail. Now just go to side panel and select here a crop tool. With this proper crop tool is applied on our image. With this you can save your image. Just press enter after applying a crop tool. Now our this image is crop as a circle. Now you can save your this image. To save as a transparent, you can just click on this file and click on this export, and you can click on this export as. With this these all formats are opened. You can save your image as a PNG. You can select here this format. When you click on this JPG file, with this transparency is removed and this white color is saved as your image. If you want to save your image as a transparent, just select here a format to a PNG and make sure you click on this transparency. And now you can just click on this export, and you can just select a path on your computer where you want to save this. I'm just click on this save. That's it. With these simple steps you can create a circle around your image. I hope you really enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and also subscribe this channel for more tutorial like this. So see you in a next video. Till then, bye bye.